In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule a live stream on StreamYard 5 minutes. First, open your browser and log into your StreamYard account. Once you're in the dashboard, you'll see your main workspace where all broadcasts live. If you're part of a team, make sure you're in the right workspace before you proceed so the stream appears in the correct place. Next, click on Live Stream. This opens the setup flow where you'll create the event you plan to go live with. Think of this as the home base for your upcoming broadcast. Now, choose Schedule for later. Instead of going live immediately, this option tells StreamYard to create a scheduled event your audience can see ahead of time. It's perfect for promoting your stream and organizing your content calendar. From here, you can select a platform. Pick where you want your live to appear, such as a social channel or any connected destination available in your account. If your brand streams to multiple places, this is where you choose the one that makes the most sense for this broadcast. Selecting the right destination helps ensure your audience knows exactly where to watch. If you're not ready to choose a destination yet, click Skip Destination for now. This is helpful when you're still finalizing where the stream will go or when you need to set up the content first and handle the publishing details later. You can return and add the destination when you're ready. Next, enter your broadcast's title and description. Keep the title clear and easy to recognize so viewers immediately understand what the stream is about. In the description, provide context, key topics, and any important links or instructions your audience might need. A concise, informative description improves discoverability and sets expectations. You can also include a short call to action, like inviting viewers to follow the channel for reminders. When everything looks good, click Create Live Stream. StreamYard will generate the scheduled event and place it in your broadcast list. From there, you'll be able to review the details, make edits if needed, and prepare your assets like overlays or scene layouts before you go live. That's it. You've scheduled your live stream in StreamYard. Before the big day, double check your audio, camera, and internet connection, and keep your title and description consistent across platforms. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.